Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Stratum corneum or layers of epidermis. First, stratum corneum. Stratum corneum is the topmost layer. It contains dead keratinocytes or corneocytes. It has flat cells with no nuclei. It has barrier function. Parakeratosis. Parakeratosis is actually in stratum corneum there is no nuclei. But if there is retention of nuclei in the stratum corneum, then we call it as parakeratosis. Parakeratosis can be either physiological or pathological. Physiological parakeratosis is seen in mouth and vagina, whereas pathological parakeratosis is seen in psoriasis, eczema, seborrheic dermatitis, actinic keratosis, and squamous cell carcinoma. Hyperkeratosis. Hyperkeratosis is increase in thickening of stratum corneum is called as hyperkeratosis. Hyperkeratosis is seen in lichen planus and psoriasis. Second layer, stratum lucidum. Stratum lucidum is present in palms and soles. Stratum lucidum is also called as clear cell layer which contains refractile granules of elidin. Third layer, stratum granulosum. In stratum granulosum, some granules are present. Keratohyalin granules contain profilagrin. Profilagrin is filament aggregating protein which forms filagrin. Profilagrin is present in stratum basale and filagrin protein which is formed from profilagrin is seen in stratum corneum. These keratohyalin granules are present in stratum granulosum. If there is defect in the profilagrin, this will result in ichthyosis vulgaris. Stratum granulosum also contains lamellar granules or membrane coating granules or Odland bodies. Lamellar granules or membrane coating granules or Odland bodies are formed in the lungs, especially in type 1 alveolar cells. They form lipids and thus they act as a barrier function. Defect in lamellar bodies results in steatotic eczema. This granular layer is 1 to 2 cell layer thick. Hypergranulosis. Hypergranulosis is increase in thickening of stratum granulosum is hypergranulosis. Hypergranulosis is seen in lichen planus. Agranulosis. Agranulosis is absence of granular layer. Agranulosis is seen in psoriasis and ichthyosis vulgaris. Dyskeratosis. Dyskeratosis is abnormal keratinization. Premature keratinization occurring below stratum granulosum is called as dyskeratosis. In dyskeratosis, there is accumulation of keratin into the keratosis. Dyskeratosis is abnormal keratinization. Premature keratinization occurring below stratum granulosum is called as dyskeratosis. In dyskeratosis, there is accumulation of keratin into the keratinocytes. This accumulation of keratin into keratinocytes occurs in the lower layers. This dyskeratosis is seen in benign conditions like Hailey-Hailey disease and Darier's disease, and also in malignant conditions like basal cell carcinoma, Paget's disease, and squamous cell carcinoma. Layer 5, stratum spinosum. Layer 4, stratum spinosum. Stratum spinosum is also called as prickle cell layer because it contains desmosomes. This is the thickest layer of epidermis. Spongiosis. Spongiosis is intracellular edema seen in stratum spinosum is called as spongiosis. Spongiosis is seen in acute eczema. Ballooning. Ballooning is intracellular edema in stratum spinosum is ballooning. It is seen in eczema. Acanthosis. Increased thickening of stratum spinosum is called as acanthosis. Acanthosis is seen in lichenification. Stratum spinosum along with stratum basale together we call it as a Malpighian layer. Stratum basale. Stratum basale is germinative cell layer. It is mitotically active and single cell layer thickness. Acantholysis. Acantholysis is separation of keratinocytes due to loss of desmosomal attachments is called as acantholysis. Whenever the desmosomal attachment is lost, the keratinocytes become separated and they form acantholytic cells where the nucleus of the acantholytic cell is oval and covers 7/8 of the cell with a small peripheral rim of cytoplasm. Basal cell degeneration. Degeneration of cells in the stratum basale is called as basal cell degeneration. The basal cell degeneration is seen in lichen planus.
Thank you, and thank you for watching.